Hi! To make raw photos on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, as a first step, open Camera on your phone. Then here we would need to go to this tab which is named More, and here choose this mode which is named Pro Mode for Photos. Click on it, and as a next step, click on the settings icon that you can see at the left upper corner, and here move to the tab which is named Advanced Picture Options. Here we would need to enable this feature which is named Raw Copies. Every time when you will make a photo in this mode, you'll get two photos. One is the original and the second one is the raw copy. Let's take a look on it. So I am currently in the Pro mode, and I'll take a picture of the flower that I got here, just like this. And now let's check our gallery. Here we can see the original of the photo, and by swiping to the left here we can see the raw copy, and you can also see the raw icon right here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.